Alright, welcome back. We're back at it again today. We're throwing it down today with some fresh guacamole. Yesterday we did a fast pico for the shrimp ceviche. So today we're going to use the other half and we're going to make the guacamole. So let's get started. This is going to be fast and easy. And then we're going to make some fresh chips to go along with it. Alright, this is the pico that we made earlier. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Alright, so avocados, I usually just do this. I got this wire basket that I'm going to push the avocado right through. If I do this, this is an easy way to get the avocado diced up. Nice one. Okay. Now, I'm going to take a bunch of this pico, throw it in there, get the lime juice out. Now we're going to mix this up. Gotta get it all mixed because you want lime juice and everything. And then when you store this, when you store the avocado after, you have to make sure all the air, you can't get any air into this, or it'll oxidize and turn brown. So put it in a tight container where you can get the air out, or a Ziploc bag where you can squeeze all the air out. What I like to do is do a little parchment paper soaked in lemon juice or lime juice, cover the area. And then we taste it. Almost there. I'll put a little bit more garlic powder. A little more salt. Pepper. There you go. And we still got a tub of pico that you can eat just plain with chips. So you got 3 different things that you can eat with chips now. We got the shrimp ceviche, we got the regular pico, and the guacamole. So that's why I make one big batch of the pico and turns it into 3 things. Alright, let's plate it. Make some more chips. You can hear the chips frying in the background. Alright, let's plate using this bowl that we made. There you go, fresh guacamole and fresh chips. Fast and easy. Alright, let's taste this puppy. That was tasty, huh, bud? Yeah, it was. Awesome. Concludes another episode. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until the next recipe, aloha.